What's up, guys? I'm doing a little 2-year update on my sio2 coating that I use for Mckees37 and glass coating. I actually did that on the Civic Si when I first bought it brand new. As you can see, it's raining right now. The coating has lost a little bit of its touch, but it's been 2 years. The glass coating is still amazing. We'll spray it with some water and let you know. This is also my new Maverick, which has also been coated with Mckees, and it's been raining all day and it's been water beating beautifully, as you can see how it should be. The wheels, the windows, everything. But let's get the spray hose and spray down the Civic, which was coated 2 years ago and hasn't had anything since. See how it's doing. So as you can see here, just a quick spray down of the car. It's still really good. It's still pretty damn hydrophobic. As you can see, water is still spritzing off. The fenders as well, doors. I'm not gonna lie, I put a lot of layers on. If I can remember right, it was probably 3 or 4 layers. I kept it in my garage for a couple of days and just coated it. Same thing with the glass. As you can see, the glass where the windshield wipers don't touch, but still, it's held up very well for 2 years. I'm very impressed with this product. That's why I stick with Mckees. I've been sticking with them for 5 years now. The original product did have some issues, and they didn't put in the right bottles, but they've learned from their mistakes, and now they have a new ceramic graphene line, which has done great. I also did the wheels back then, and surprisingly, everything is holding up real well. It is supposed to be a 3-year coating, so I could definitely say that it has that longevity of maybe 3 years. It's been 2 years. I'm still doing good. I'm hoping I can get that out of my Maverick as well. Mckees just makes a great line of products. I use just about everything. Their sio2 is amazing. I go for that every couple months. I haven't done it on this car, surprisingly, but I've done it on other ones that I've coated, and it's helped give it that boost, give it a good, pretty much like if I just ceramic coated it feel, which I'm going to do on this car. I ran out of the sio2 boast, but I have some other stuff. See if I can try it. Another great product I've seen used a lot is this 303 Touchless Sealant. It goes great over cars that are already coated. It's just a spray on, spray off on a wet car. It just gives it that little extra boost, you know. Let's say I spray that part down right there. I just wanted to hose it down real quick, give you a little idea. Makes it a little bit more hydrophobic. So that side's not sprayed down versus this side. Definitely see the water running up, coming down. This is coated, but not with the spray. It's a little bit slower. See if we can do if I did half of that, not half. So just a little topper, you would say, you know? Give it a little extra flavor. Definitely great stuff. Makes your cleaning your car really easy. Really helps when you go through a touchless car wash, like I did because it's raining. This car is going to be rented, so I needed to get it washed. And pretty much comes out brand new. If you guys have any questions, any other videos, let me know. Again, like and subscribe. Thanks, man. Take care.